so I've got the car's done, except for this very front portion of the hood. So now what we have, as you can tell, yes, I'm working on my washer and dryer. So let me make sure you can see this. This is automotivetouchup.com. So I think it's a great company. They can mix anything from a half an ounce all the way up to gallons. I think it's half an ounce, 2 ounces, and it goes on up from there. So great company. I think I got this in 8 days after I think it was 8 days after I ordered it. I got it in. So pretty quick when you think you give them your paint, year, make, model, and paint code for your car, and then you give them the year, make, model, and paint code for your car, and then they mix it when you order it. So I ordered, I'll just show you. So really nice overall packaging. It's pretty cool how this stuff comes in. Put that off to the side. So I've got enough touch up for the Cobra, and then I also ordered some touch up for my car for my Scat Pack. So in here, you saw the paper it was wrapped up in. And if I can ever get this bag open. Sorry, I'm standing in the light. Then, they've got these plastic packaging for everything. So that's very professional, very, elegant, if you will. Really attractive. So here we have you can see that Ford, and the paint code is CX. So that's half an ounce, which is all I'm gonna need for the few paint chips that we're gonna be working on. And here I have my Dodge PBX. So this is the Jazz Blue or Contusion Blue, and then I have 2 ounces of their gloss clear coat. So what I've done, and last but not least, I have these little daubers. It's pretty awesome. Here, you can see it better that way. So there's 100 in this thing, and I think this thing was like $2 or $3. So for all these little daubers, and what I'll end up doing is like Larry from Ammo NYC, he has these and he pulls the little cotton portion out, and it's just like a little pinprick. So that way you can get it in there and really focus in on what you get. But I'll bring you in for this. What I plan on doing, sorry, I'm a little shaky. So here's our 2 base coats, and then the clear coat is in blue. So these are both, this is the Mustang, this is my Contusion Blue, because I don't think I'll need 2 ounces, but whatever. I think the price difference is just a few bucks. Honestly, between these two, which is pretty great. And then the clear coat was 10 or 15 bucks, I think, for 2 ounces. But what I'm gonna end up doing is essentially making my own like single stage. So I'll take some of this paint, put it in a container. I'll get like a little sterile container and mix in a little bit of clear coat with it. That way it's already glossy. I put one layer, so to speak, in there, and then I'll get the little dauber to put it on the paint. So once we get everything prepped, and I'll show you how I'm gonna prep everything. But once we get everything prepped, we'll go ahead and mix this stuff up and put it on the car.